guys. What's up? Sorry, I'm Chris here, but you can call me Chris. Go subscribe. Sorry, I'm Chris. Ah!
Link in bio, you know?
Yeah, link in bio.
Look at that makeup. It's like wearing out. Low key. This is my homie, Shaw. Shaw, we got Jake Paul on the TV because we ran into him out of all people. But, you know, it is what it is. What do you guys say to the vlog? That's it?
That's all I got to say. Hello.
Yeah.
Again. So we were gonna go to see Hollywood, but you know, Chris walked outside. I was inside, it was too dark, walked outside real quick, and that sun hit me and I got a headache. So we had to come home, I had to take a nap, and we about to go to Hollywood. What's up, Hollywood? I'm prepared this time, got glasses on.
Heck no, I'm not putting that in the vlog. You got me messed up. This is like a room tour, I guess. Look, my suitcase, it's like everywhere. Our bed is everywhere. Our makeup's everywhere. Well, that's my makeup. And then, yeah.
Look, our bed is split in two. I slept here, she slept here.
Like, it's whatever. And our room is just a mess. But
yeah,
look at this view from our room, though. Like, got a view of the pool. We got a walk-in closet where my clothes are as well.
Yeah, I'm really tall, guys. Actually, I'm 5'10", but it's big, right? Oh. It's popping.
Your ass.
Outside.
Yeah. This is the living room, obviously. This is where Shaw sleeps.
Shaw sleeps right on the bed.
No, it's not right here in a ball.
I don't know why he doesn't just sleep outside because there's like literally like a bed right there.
Like a cat.
How'd you sleep?
Better.
Better. This is like our mini kitchen that we have. We have a fridge. And I mean, I guess this is our, I don't know, a stove, I guess? A stove top. Yeah.
Here's another bathroom.
Yeah, it's my mom's bathroom.
Ready for Hollywood.
Oh boy. We got nice showers though.
Yeah, we
There's also a bath as well, which is cool. My mom's room. But she don't have a view of the pool. Well, she kind of does. But not really. I have to like... That's what she got a view of. So nice.
Oh, her bed is smaller than ours, for sure.
Yeah, it is. Yes, that's our room right there.
That we all paid for with our own money.
Yeah,
and we bought
definitely.
the house.
Definitely. Yeah.
So the pool is currently off. There is usually this little waterfall thingy that comes up and it goes into the pool, but the lady turned it off.
Why?
Here's our hot tub. It's
really
usually
hot.
hot. It's kind of cold right now.
I'm about to drop my phone in there, Rip. I love how he's like introing the whole video.
Here's the little balls. Yeah, we got some little balls here to play with. You know?
Oh, I just stepped in it. Ew.
Oh God! Now we're gonna jump in. Goodbye. No,
yeah.
I'm kidding.
Okay. Heck, all those go under the pool. That must be annoying.
This is fucking Los Angeles, guys.
Oh my gosh! I fall from the palm tree into the pool. That's annoying. What do you guys say, Shaw? Nothing still?
Why don't they just cut that off?
Yeah.
I want to get jumped on it and splash my booty.
This is cool how it goes like shallow from here.
Yeah.
It looks really
I
cool.
want to
at
go
night.
swimming.
Like the
after. I
like
was gonna put my foot in it, but I
the
forgot I'm
light
driving.
comes all the way up here.
Yeah. We also got a Jaguar, so.
Over there. We've never even sat here. We're gonna have to sit here tonight.
Are we allowed to talk about?
What about it?
Are we allowed to talk about it?
Yeah, I just did though. I said we ran into him.
Oh.
That's about it.
Well, yeah. So.
We were driving around in Calabasas.
And we were just literally just driving around, like because it's where the mountains are, so like we wanted to see the mountains. And then I look at him and he looks at me freaking eyes.
He's like, oh shit, that's Katrina. This car is sexy.
Yeah, this is my baby.
I was supposed
I only paid $200,000 for her.
Oh my god. It's so gorgeous. So I forgot I don't have the key, so we can't even go in.
Oh shit. Ooh.
So yeah, I mean, we've done a lot. This is like our last day, but it's kind of hard.
Well, I mean, technically tomorrow is, but we leave really early in the morning, so it's kind
my
of basically
shoes are
our last
annoying
day.
me. I'm sure it's gonna annoy them. I don't know why it's making that noise. I didn't even go on water or anything. But yeah, so we haven't really been recording. We were just kind of living in the moment.
Or we can like do something where you ask like Twitter, like you know how like they do challenges asking Twitter's questions and stuff, like who knows best friend better or something. I don't fucking know.
You don't know nothing. No.
Oh, you don't know nothing about me then.
Oh my god.
I mean, 4 years is that long enough?
Yes, very long.
What's my favorite color?
Blue?
Blue, disgusting.
Oh my gosh, I don't
My favorite
know.
color is red.
Damn, I was gonna say orange.
orange.
I don't know, man. Alright, say bye to the vlog, Shaw.
Goodbye, everyone.
We'll be back, guys. We'll be back. We're gonna show you Hollywood.